All right, here we go. So we are making some changes with the security camera and the the access controls that you normally see on the YourView uh, browser. Uh, anyway, so a little brief explanation of why we're making these changes is because it only works with Internet Explorer because of the Java component with the access controls. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, these camera views are attached to these locking mechanisms or these components to lock the security access for these doors. This is the AMC building. Well, the view is going away. These camera views are going away, and so you're just going to see the controllers. And so you can, you know, manipulate it to where it just sits like that on your screen and you can move it anywhere around, kind of like your Mitel Connect client. So that could go there. And okay, so how did I get there? Well, eventually you're going to be able to use any browser you want, and you're going to put in the server IP address of 192.168.1.7. This is not what I wanted, but I want to show you. This is the new screen where you're going to log in. You'll have your login credentials. Currently, your default login credential will be Saints at 1992, and most likely it'll be like, I don't know, like iBuckle, Kmore, B Maldonado, and then the password, the default password will be Saints at the @ 1992. And so since it'll remember this login and it'll be this screen here, we'll no longer have that colon 8037 to take us to the old view or version. This is the new one that we want everyone to log into. I will let you know when it's ready to go. Climatech's in the process of making the change. So once you log in, you won't see this. This is the admin side. And what you will see is, for example, let's go to floor plans. Like the AMC will, you see, this is the purpose. This is the reason we're making this change. I'm on Chrome, and I can't operate that section where the video and the controllers are on the same page because Java doesn't exist or will not work on Chrome or Mozilla or Edge. It has to be Internet Explorer. And Internet Explorer is going away. And at the end of this year, really, like I believe it's March 2020, Windows 7 will no longer be supported, and Internet Explorer is no longer supported at all. It hasn't been in a couple of years, but it's the only browser that supports Java. But Internet Explorer is going away, Windows 7 is going away, and Edge is combining forces with Chrome to work more like Chrome. So there's not going to be a browser that's going to operate Java. So instead of dealing with Java issues and trying to connect and doing all these back-ended, backwooded configurations to make this whole thing work every freaking week, um, it's going away. So the next time you log in to this here, once I let you know, it should be sometime this week, I hope, you'll see the controls only like this. I'm going to do away with this. Okay, so again, the view of the cameras are going away. You'll only have this controller. If you're in AMC, you'll have this controller. If you're at the school, you'll have the different school. Let's see if we have the school, classrooms, past school, second floor. Let's see, we have school, cameras. This is the school view. So the school will only have this. And again, you can minimize and only this camera view will not be there. This only will be there, the locking mechanisms. And now you're saying, well, how the heck am I going to see who's there at the camera or at the door? Well, that's why you have this Axis Camera Station Center over here to your left on your desktop. It's installed on everyone's computer that access these cameras and need controls. So if you double click this, you get this Access Camera Station window, and then you're going to log into it. I know the school's already using this. Um, let's see. And if you've just logged in for the first time, this might take longer than normal. So just be patient. So we're going to choose remote server. And again, 192.168.1.7. And we're going to log in. We're going to use other user. And for now, we're going to use AMC. And then the password is Saints at 1992. And then we're going to log in. And again, if it's your first time logging in, this will take a while, believe me. So just be patient. Just minimize the screen, let it log in the background, go do something else, go grab a cup of coffee, and then come back and it should be done. If it doesn't work after a couple of minutes, just call me up, let me know, I'll mess with it. But anyway, this is the view that you're going to have. The school is going to have an additional 4 cameras here. AMC will have this view. So now you can minimize, and it says permission denied because I haven't given AMC permission to view those camera, but we'll go to school. I know we have the permission there, and you get your view access control, and you can just have it anywhere on the desktop. Most of you have a secondary monitor that extends the desktop, and you can move it over there if you want. You can minimize it a little bit, try to find the right fit for you, and that's basically it. So you have 2 places to log in, for the control and for the camera feed, and that's to come. So there's no way to make it work with both the camera feed and the controllers. It won't. Technology isn't there. The software is not working the way it's supposed to, and that's just the way it is. So unfortunately, that's the way it is. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will email you when it becomes official, and remind you all of y'all's login credentials for your group, the AMC group and the school group. And again, let me know if you need any help. Thanks again.